Here we are, Tuesday, 3:31. Now we are in the second trade day for the week. We already had a beautiful trap move on Sunday and our first leg up on Monday. So I'm looking for another long today to continue this trend. Asia is open and there we go. First closeout to the 50. I'm going to go ahead and draw this channel here. Okay, there goes the trap move below the 50. It looks like the move is actually going to come in early. So the entry would have been here, but it's not in our prime window or our prime trade window. So I am confirmed for going long at this point because this is the trap move below the 50. And all right, prime window is open and there is my W. It came really fast and we are still below the 50. That's okay. We do have this beautiful W through the 50. W. Right there, it's still forming out, but it vertexed through the 50, confirming my long move for the day. So I'm going to enter my long at this green-red cross right there. There is my position for the day. This is my second day into the trap move of the week. So this might not get a full 30 pips. I would be watching for this one to flip around sometime within the session, but let's see if there's 30 pips available here. We also had our pop outs. And there we go, nice expansion pop out here. Retrace back to the channel, just like I'd expect. And there we go, congratulations. You hit profit before the prime window was even closed. That was a very, very quick trade day. We'll turn it up and see how the rest of the move plays out. All right, there you go, very easy trade day. So let's look at one more thing before we close this one out. This dotted line here is a previous 4-hour pop out. You can see how price just came in and just stayed right around it and retested this line. Then also this bigger one is a previous day pop out and you can see it acted as the low for the day. So these pop out lines are very significant and price does come back and play with them and use them as support and resistance as you go. All right, there it is, your most clean entry for Tuesday, 3/31. Grab a screenshot of this and add it to your entries for your trade collection.